Bird names in English.
Blue jay. Blue jay.
Blue jay. This is a blue jay. A blue jay has bright blue feathers. It is a loud and intelligent bird.
Rainbow lorikeet. Rainbow lorikeet.
Rainbow lorikeet. This is a rainbow lorikeet. A rainbow lorikeet has many bright colors. It feeds on nectar and fruit.
Gouldian finch. Gouldian finch.
Gouldian finch. This is a Gouldian finch. A Gouldian finch has a colorful head and body. It is one of the most beautiful small birds.
Mandarin duck. Mandarin duck.
Mandarin duck. This is a Mandarin duck. A Mandarin duck has bright, patterned feathers. It is known for its unique and colorful appearance.
Peacock. Peacock.
Peacock. This is a peacock. A peacock has a long, colorful tail. It spreads its tail to show beautiful patterns.
Flamingo. Flamingo.
Flamingo. This is a flamingo. A flamingo is pink and stands on long legs. It gets its color from the food it eats.
Kingfisher. Kingfisher.
Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. A kingfisher has bright blue and orange feathers. It catches fish by diving into the water.
Scarlet tanager. Scarlet tanager.
Scarlet tanager. This is a scarlet tanager. A scarlet tanager has bright red feathers with black wings. It lives in forests and eats insects.
Green parakeet. Green parakeet.
Green parakeet. This is a green parakeet. A green parakeet is a small green parrot. It is social and lives in flocks.
Purple martin. Purple martin.
Purple martin. This is a purple martin. A purple martin has shiny purple feathers. It flies fast and catches insects in the air.
Scarlet macaw. Scarlet macaw.
Scarlet macaw. This is a scarlet macaw. A scarlet macaw has red, yellow, and blue feathers. It is a large and intelligent parrot.
Indian roller. Indian roller.
Indian roller. This is an Indian roller. An Indian roller has blue and brown feathers. It is famous for its beautiful flight display.
Sun conure. Sun conure.
Sun conure. This is a sun conure. A sun conure is bright yellow and orange. It is a playful and noisy parrot.
Rainbow beater. Rainbow beater.
Rainbow beater. This is a rainbow beater. A rainbow beater has colorful feathers and a long tail. It eats bees and other flying insects.
Turquoise-browed motmot. Turquoise-browed motmot.
Turquoise-browed motmot. This is a turquoise-browed motmot. It has turquoise, green, and orange feathers. Its tail has two long, decorative feathers.
Golden pheasant. Golden pheasant.
Golden pheasant. This is a golden pheasant. A golden pheasant has a golden head and bright red body. It is one of the most colorful pheasants.
Himalayan monal. Himalayan monal.
Himalayan monal. This is a Himalayan monal. A Himalayan monal has shiny, rainbow-colored feathers. It is the national bird of Nepal.
Crimson rosella. Crimson rosella.
Crimson rosella. This is a crimson rosella. A crimson rosella is red and blue. It is a friendly parrot from Australia.
Painted bunting. Painted bunting.
Painted bunting. This is a painted bunting. A painted bunting has blue, green, and red feathers. It is often called the most colorful bird in North America.
Lilac-breasted roller. Lilac-breasted roller.
Lilac-breasted roller. This is a lilac-breasted roller. It has lilac, blue, and green feathers. It is famous for its beautiful colors and flight.
Red lory. Red lory.
Red lory. This is a red lory. A red lory is bright red with blue markings. It feeds on nectar and fruit.
Keel-billed toucan. Keel-billed toucan.
Keel-billed toucan. This is a keel-billed toucan. It has a large, colorful beak. It lives in tropical forests.
Blue and yellow macaw. Blue and yellow macaw.
Blue and yellow macaw. This is a blue and yellow macaw. It has bright blue wings and a yellow chest. It is a large and social parrot.
Hyacinth macaw. Hyacinth macaw.
Hyacinth macaw. This is a hyacinth macaw. It is the largest parrot in the world. It has deep blue feathers and a strong beak.
African gray parrot. African gray parrot.
African gray parrot. This is an African gray parrot. It has gray feathers and a red tail. It is known for its excellent talking ability.
Nicobar pigeon. Nicobar pigeon.
Nicobar pigeon. This is a Nicobar pigeon. It has shiny green and blue feathers. It is a close relative of the extinct dodo.
Violet-backed starling. Violet-backed starling.
Violet-backed starling. This is a violet-backed starling. It has bright violet feathers on its back. It is small but very colorful.
Resplendent Quetzal. Resplendent Quetzal.
Resplendent Quetzal. This is a resplendent Quetzal. It has green feathers and a long tail. It is one of the most beautiful birds in Central America.